Hey babes! Today I made caramelized onions. Yes, my favorite fancy burger side, like it makes you feel like a chef in a cooking show, but actually super easy. So here's how I do it. First, grab your onions, red or white, both are welcome to the party. If they're huge, get about 3 to 5. If they're small, maybe 6 to 8. Slice them, not too tiny ha, we want drama, not onion confetti. Next, get your pan ready with olive oil and butter. Yes, both. Because we're not here for average flavor. We're here for that wow, ano to flavor. Set your heat to low to medium. We are caramelizing, not burning. Throw in your onions and start stirring. After about 5 minutes or so, start stirring like you're mixing chica or in. Add a dash of salt and around 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Brown sugar ha, para deep caramel vibe. Keep stirring. If it starts looking dry, don't panic. Just add a tablespoon of water before it gets super dry. We are saving onions, not stressing them. Oh wait, may plot twist. Naisip ko lang na lagyan ng vanilla and a tiny touch of honey. If you have. Social packing ganun. But trust me, game changer. Stir and stir until you see the onions turn into this glossy, sticky, golden caramel brown goodness. When it looks delicious, and of course, the smell. You know that smell, right? That's your cue. Turn off the heat. And yola! Caramelized onions, first try success. You can always adjust the sugar depending on your sweet tooth. No judgment here, okay? Now, it got the perfect side for burgers, steaks, or honestly, kahit yung mga ibang beef dish or papakin mo lang. Why not? So, that's it. Happy cooking!